Good day everyone. My name is Michael B. Hatamosa. So my topic is about the tools and materials for graphic arts. So we have the cardboard for packaging and structural materials. So this is the exploring its versatile application in graphic arts and structural designs from packaging and display solutions to innovative horticultural elements. Discover the possibilities of this versatile material. Introduction to corrugated cardboards. So we have corrugated cardboard consists of flatted sheet sandwiched between two flat sheets paperboard. This creates a strong, lightweight, and versatile material used in wide range of applications. The floated structural art strength and rigidity to the cardboard. This allows to withstand heavy loads, making it the ideal for packaging and structural applications. Structural designs considerations. So we have load bearing, shape, and geometry joint design. So when you say load bearing, this is the corrugated cardboard can handle significant weight. The loads distribute force evenly, increasing the material's overall strength. Then, second, shape and geometry of the flutes determines the cardboard's structural integrity. Different flute profiles offer varied levels of rigidity, compression strength. Uh, Third, joint designs. This is the secure joints are crucial for creating stable structural techniques like interlocking tabs, flaps, and adhesives ensure strength and durability. And graphic design opportunities, we have color and texture, and typography and fonts, and geometry patterns. So color and texture. So corrugated cardboard offers a unique surface for painting, allowing for wide range of colors and textures. So we have typography and fonts. Bold eye-catching typography can be applied to corrugated surface, adding a touch of visual impact. Then geometry patterns. Corrugated cardboard's inherent geometric structure can be incorporated into graphic designs, creating interesting visual effects. So we have corrugated cardboard flutes types and grades. So we have float types and grades and applications. So different float types are defined by their height and density, each offering varying levels of strain and rigidity. Then grades is cardboard grades are determined by paperboard used to create the flat sheets. They vary in thickness, strength, and overall quality. And applications. The combination, the flute types and grades dictates the material's usability for specific packaging and structural application. So we have advantage of corrugated cardboard packaging. We have durability, lightweight, and recyclable. Then durability is a structural provides excellent protection for packet goods, minimizing damage during transport. And then lightweight, corrugated cardboard is to yet strong, making a cost effective for shipping and handling. The recyclable, this is promoting sustainability and environmental responsibility. And we have sustainable and eco-friendly corrugated solutions. So you need to the using the recycled paperboard and minimizing waste during the production contribute to a lower carbon footprint. Then design optimization focus on minimizing materials usage, ensuring efficient and sustainable packaging solutions. By choosing the corrugated cardboard over alternatives, we promote a circular economy and reduce the reliance on non-renewable resources. So we have the custom printing and branding on corrugated boxes. So this is the examples. So we have a picture. This is the brand identity. This is the box can printed with customs, logos, branding, elements, and product information to enhance brand recognitions. So this is the visual appeal. This is the create graphic designs can be used to create eye-catching packaging that attract consumers, and enhance product appeal. So this is the examples. We have the picture. Then we have the corrugated cardboard, bulk binds, and heavy-duty packaging. So this is the like the picture. Now we have the heavy duty constructions. This is the extra thing corrugated cardboard is used to build sturdy bulk binds that can be handled heavy loads and withstand harsh environment. Then stackability. Box bins are designed for easy stacking and storage, optimizing space efficiency, simplifying transportation and reasonable options. So this is the heavy duty corrugated packaging can be designed for multiple uses promoting the sustainable and economical solutions.